Guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix unable to send email via Siri. Sorry, I can't help with that error on your iPhone, and how to fix this up. So we have two methods. The first method is all about you just have to reset up your Hey Siri command, and the second one is all about enable Siri accessibility settings. So let's do that. So the first thing what you have to do is you just have to tap over here on the settings. Now from here you just have to navigate to Siri and search. From here you have an option called listen for Hey Siri, right? So you just have to turn this off and turn this on. So it will be asking you to continue this one. So you just have to set this up. You have to go for continue. Then Hey Siri into your iPhone. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, what's the weather like today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. So now you are done with this. So this is the first step. And most probably you have to check out whether you are able to send email via Siri or not. So if it's after trying this, if it's not working, you don't have to panic. We have option 2, which means step 2, which is all about enable Siri accessibility setting. So you just have to go back. Now from here on the accessibility, you have to tap over here. From here you just have to scroll down and you have to tap on Siri over here at the bottom. Tap over here. Now we have an option called always listen for Hey Siri option. So you just have to turn this on. And once it is done, you have to set this up and you have to see whether the issue is solved or not. So these are the basic steps which you have to try when you're having an issue, cannot send email via Siri. Sorry, I can't help with that error, and how to fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications.